Dear Sir, comma, the heavy mahogany table for your new home, comma, hillside, comma, Woodhouse Lane, comma, is ready for delivery at any time when we hear from you, full stop. We hope to have the hangings fixed tomorrow, comma, and the curtains hung by Wednesday next, full stop. The new hammocks and hassocks are almost ready, comma, and they will be delivered next week, full stop. Our van may be in your neighborhood on Monday, comma, in which case you shall have the hall chairs and the whole of the small household things then, full stop. But for a mishap at our Harley works, comma, you would have had the hair cushions for the settee before this, full stop. We hope, however, comma, to receive them on Friday, comma, and to deliver them with the other things on Monday, full stop. Yours truly, close.